here on the Lawson Farm. Hope everyone's having a great day. So today we're going to be making cream of chicken soup. So you remember a week or two ago I put out a video, we were making chicken stock. So now we've got our chicken stock. We need cream of chicken soup for a recipe, calls for it. Now, I'm just going to tell y'all, I am not above going to the store and buying a can of cream of chicken soup. Not at all. I've used it many, many times, and I'm sure I will use it many times after this video. But every once in a while, it's nice to make your own, using the ingredients that you have. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to show y'all how to make this. So the first thing we're going to need, so I'm actually cutting my recipe in half, but I have 1 1/4 cups of my chicken stock. This is my refrigerated stock, not my canned stock that I had, because if y'all remember, we've got to use that within a couple of weeks. So I'm going to put that in a bowl along with 1/4 cup of milk. We're going to mix that up. Alright. I guess it would help if I had something to mix it with. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to pour that in my little pan here. We're going to put that on medium heat. And let that come to a slow boil. So the next thing that we're going to need is a 1/2 cup of milk. We're going to put that into this bowl. To our milk, we're going to add 1/3 cup of flour. And some exciting news, y'all. I have just started a website, so I'm actually going to start putting links in the videos to take you to these websites where you can actually go through and reference that and read the recipes too, because I know sometimes with the videos, with the measurements and everything, it's kind of hard to follow along. So we're going to whisk this together. I'm just keeping an eye on my other mixture over there because it does have milk in it. We don't want it to be lumpy, so I'm mixing it pretty fast here. So, I mean, it's just milk and flour, y'all. What I'm mixing together here. So that's pretty smooth. I don't see any little lumps floating up on top or anything like that. Bring y'all with me over here. Alright. So we're going to pour this in. There's a few little lumps in there. Oops. It will be fine. They'll go away after it cooks. So, we're just going to do this right here. And we're going to let that simmer for about 5 minutes until that starts thickening up. And voila, we have cream of chicken soup. So look how pretty and thick this is getting here. And I did add just a little bit of salt and pepper to that, just for a little taste. But that right there, we're ready to use it, y'all. Alright, thank you so much again for watching. It's always a pleasure making these videos for y'all. I love teaching people, and I hope you've enjoyed them as well. And everybody have a nice rest of your day. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And those of you that have, I appreciate it so, so much. And I will talk to y'all next time.